Entering receipts, Schedule C, Other receipts. In this video, you will learn how to add transaction data to the CSC required report. Schedule C, Other receipts. Other receipts include interest, public funds received from the commission, rebates, refunds, and sale of durable assets. The most common type of other receipt is a candidate's own funds. Typically, this is a situation where the candidate chooses to use their personal funds to pay for campaign expenses and does not care to be reimbursed. Please note, other receipts are different from loans, Schedule D, because there is no expectation of repayment or reimbursement from campaign funds. Refer to the end of this video for 4 specific situations in which a corresponding entry is necessary on another schedule. To enter an other receipt from the navigation bar, click Add Transaction to access the Add Transaction page. This is the main page for entering transactions into the CFS. You can either add a new name and transaction or add a transaction to an existing name. Please refer to our previous videos in which we discuss the 2 ways to add transactions to the CFS. When prompted to select the transaction type you want to add, select Other Receipt and you will be directed to the Schedule C Add Other Receipt page. Enter the date that the other receipt was deposited, the date that the candidate made an expenditure from their own funds, or the date that a candidate's loan is forgiven. Then enter the amount, no dollar signs or commas. Select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu and type in a description of the other receipt. Before clicking the Add button at the top of the page, you may select to go to the Schedule C Other Receipts List page or to the Add Transaction main page after finalizing this entry. Click Add, and you will be redirected to the selected page. On the Schedule C Other Receipts List page, your other receipts can be viewed, searched, sorted, edited, and deleted. You can directly access this page from the navigation bar by clicking Schedules, then Receipt, and then Schedule C Other Receipts. To edit or delete an other receipt, first search for the transaction using either the search feature or browsing the list of other receipts. Then click on the date to edit or delete the record. Please note, you do not need to wait until a filing deadline or the close of a reporting period to begin entering other receipts. If you'd like to review the schedule before filing it, you can use the Preview function. From the navigation bar, click Preview/Print Report, then Disclosure Report. Select the reporting period from the drop-down menu. Then select Schedule C and click the Preview Report button to generate a preview. Schedule C Double Entry Record Keeping. Finally, we will review 4 specific situations which would require entry on this schedule and also another. Number 1. Candidates using their own funds and do not care to be reimbursed should enter each out-of-pocket expense on Schedule B under the vendor's name. Then enter a corresponding entry on Schedule C under the candidate's name and choose candidate's own funds as the category. Number 2. Candidates who are forgiving their own loans and do not care to be reimbursed should enter each candidate loan on Schedule D under the candidate's name. Then, when the candidate forgives their own loan and does not care to be reimbursed, report the forgiven loan on Schedule D. Then enter a corresponding entry on Schedule C under the candidate's name and choose candidate's own funds as the category. Number 3. Enter public funds received from the Commission on Schedule C. For category, choose Public Funds. Report the date of deposit and the amount of each public fund check received under Hawaii Election Campaign Fund at the Commission's address. Then enter the expenditure of public funds on Schedule B to report how public funds were expended. And finally, number 4. The purchase and sale of durable assets. Enter the purchase of a durable asset with campaign funds on Schedule B, then make a corresponding entry on Schedule F. Upon the sale of the durable asset, enter the disposition of the durable asset on Schedule F. Then make a corresponding entry on Schedule C, Other Receipts. Select Sale of Durable Asset as the category. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns relating to the Hawaii Campaign Spending Commission, please give us a call at 808-586-0285.